Welcome back to another video. I know 2 videos in one day. I haven't done this in years, but this video is actually part of part 1. I just had to split it up because my footage got corrupted. If you watched till the end of the last video, you could see all of it was like green screen, and for some reason my phone would not save the whole video right. So I decided to just split it up, save 2 shorter videos instead. So I hope you don't mind. But let's go ahead and jump into back to the other day when I filmed this footage. Okay, so we're back now. I'm about to have some tuna for lunch. I actually made it last night. Super easy to make. I'll have it like right here, a video on the screen. I have been trying, obviously, y'all know I've been eating healthier, working out and stuff, and I actually posted on Instagram asking if y'all wanted to see some of like healthy meals, workouts that I've been doing and stuff, and I was surprised by the responses. So many of you said yes, and it just really motivates me. So thank you guys for being like supportive and stuff, and all the really sweet compliments. I appreciate it. But anyway, I made tuna last night. I made 3 cans of tuna, strained it. I added in some celery, some green onions, and a little bit of mayonnaise, light mayonnaise, mustard, salt, pepper. What else did I put in here? And pickles. That was it. And this is what it looks like. Super good. It smells amazing. And I'm having the Epic Everything Dave's Killer Bread. I'm having 2 of these. And then I'm just going to, put the tuna over the toast. And that's what I'm having for lunch. So I'll show you how it looks once I get it made. Alright, y'all, so I ate my lunch. I feel so much better. I was starving. But I want to show you guys what I got today. So I'm really excited. I got the kids' Valentine's Day stuff, and then I got a few books and a few other random things. So let me show you. For the kids for Valentine's Day, I got them each one of these like little paint your own kits. This is a dinosaur, and then we got the butterfly. I got a pack of chalk for each of them. Some some noise putty, because these are their favorites. And then I found these. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. But y'all know we used to make these in school out of like paper. So I found those at Target Dollar Spot. So I grabbed 2 of those. We got some gummy worms. Found these on clearance at the gas station. So I grabbed those a couple days ago. And then from the Dollar Spot, I found this little coloring kit. And it comes with a little pin. So I thought that was cool for each of them. So that's their little Valentine's Day. Okay, so moving on to the other things. So I found these stems at Target, and I love them. And they had a vase there with these exact stems in it for $30, but I paid $3.99 each for these. And then I'm using my DIY vase that I shared in my last video, and it looks super pretty. So love that. I also found this at Dollar General. This was only $5, so I grabbed it. Thought it was really pretty. I got a little layering piece here. This was $3. I just like the texture of it, so I grabbed it. I got a candle. This is the rice milk and almond flavor. I hope no one's eating the candle scent. And it was $4, so I got that. And then I got a bunch of books from the Antique Mall, along with this. Check it out. It's a bookend, and I paid $19.95 for this. I know it's a little expensive, but you know when you find something that you just love and you don't know why you love it? Like, that's how much I love this. I just thought it was the coolest thing ever with all the books stacked. Oh, I just love it. So, got that. I also found these brass bookends. How gorgeous are these? With the ducks on them. Aren't those pretty? Love them. How much did I pay for these? I think it was like $15.22 for the set. Oh, they're so beautiful. So I got those. I got all kinds of books here to show you. And from the Target Dollar Spot, I got a little bunny rabbit. And I got some gold bunnies to decorate with. How cute. So let me go ahead and show you the books. Lots of different books to show you. So I thought I would just quickly run through them and tell you how much I paid for each of them and just kind of show you what they look like. So this one is just plain brown, and then on the side here, this one says Rhode Island. I have no idea what it's about. But I'm gonna be honest, I just really like the look of it, so I grabbed this one. It's about Rhode Island, the independent state. That's what it's about. So that's cool. $4. $4. I also got this one. This one's Courage and Coincidence by Karl Rove. This one I paid $3 for, and it came with this little thing on it, but I planned on taking it off and using it like this because look at this. I love the brown and black together. It looks so pretty. And then I also ran into this one, and I loved it too. This one was $2. This one is The Flight of the Falcon, but look how beautiful already. Oh, love it. So I got those. I also got Before Women Had Wings. This one I paid $1.50 for. And this one I can also take the cover off, and that's what it looks like. So it's black as well. I don't know how I ended up with so many of these, but I actually just saw this one like this, and I was like, oh, I like that it's white. So I got that. And then, this is my favorite yet. I had to buy this one. This one was $4.75, and this is the big black book. This is basically the secret to life in this book. I thought it was pretty cool. I don't know what that is. I guess I should have opened this before I... Anyway, it basically tells you... Let me just read it. It says, how to avoid junk mail, buying from door-to-door salespeople, hate shopping, question mark. Like, there's so many cool ones. How to prevent burglaries, choosing a building contractor. Literally, like there's just... this is the book of life. I really like it a lot, so I grabbed that. I also got the story of Edgar Swatelli. To be honest, this book was purchased based off of just the look of it. It was $4 for this one. I got The Farmer's Boy as well. This is actually a kid's book, but my daughter is into chapter books right now and reading, and I like that these have pictures. She loves pictures, so I thought she would like this one, and it was only $1.95. And then the last book I got was $2, and it is called Joined at the Heart. And this one was white with a red, with the red labeling or lettering, whatever you want to call it. But I love it, so I got that one as well. And that's all the books I got. But when they're all stacked real cute, hold on, they're really heavy all together, but look at it! I love it. Love it. So that's what I ended up buying today. Okay. Let's try this again. Shall we? So I'm gonna take down everything from up there. I'm gonna move this. I'm not loving this in this space. And it's not that I don't love the globe. I just don't love it on my shelves. So I'm gonna remove that. Hold on, I'm gonna need a chair. I have redecorated, oh my gosh, I can't even talk today either. Like, not only is my footage corrupted, but I can't even get words out. So I've moved these shelves around, I did it again. Redecorated them like 50 times at this point. Like, I cannot stop moving my stuff around. And it's so funny because someone commented on my video and said, you're gonna redecorate them shelves every day for the next like 3 weeks. And she was right. I sure have. Every time I look at them, I'm like, ooh, let me move this over here instead. Let me just change this. And I love it. I have wanted to be able to do this for so long. I haven't had shelving to decorate, or like any space really for that matter to decorate, in so long. Like, it's been years and years. The last time I had shelves to decorate was back when we lived in our single wide mobile home. We had like a TV stand that had a built-in on the side and then up above the TV. And I actually used to love decorating it. So I'm so happy to have these done so I can play around with some decor more often. All right, y'all. So I'm getting closer to the look that I'm going for. And I think so originally I said I was going for like organic modern, but I don't really love just all organic modern things like I thought I would. The more I started looking at it, this is the style I'm gravitating towards, more like organic in the sense of mixing different styles together and just having like a very natural approach to decorating. Like, it doesn't have to be all matchy-matchy. It doesn't have to be a certain style. Like, I don't want to fit in this one box. I want to be able to decorate whatever like makes me happy. And right now I'm loving the way they're looking. I do like the little bit of greenery I've added. And I feel like I do need a little bit more, but it's just gonna take some time. I'm getting there though. I'm getting there. It's looking real pretty. Maybe I will continue to share these little updates here and there, like while I figure out what I'm going for. But I have to run. I have to go to a conference with my daughter's teacher today. So I'm gonna go do that and then come back, clean up the house, because currently I have home decor everywhere. So let's do it.
Never understood a word they said. Kept running in the woods alone instead. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you?
Well, I came outside. Kids are watching their shows. Whenever they get home from school, that's the first thing they want to do. Is turn on a show, eat some snacks. So I came outside. I bought this the other day. It's called Power Up Premium Trail Mix. It has pineapple, banana chips, coconut, cranberries, walnuts, cashews, and papaya. So it's got lots of stuff in there. I'm going to try it and see if I like it. I got my water, of course. Zoe, don't you go through that gate. I gotta fix the gate. It's not all the way shut because we were cleaning up the yard yesterday. Looks really good. All cleaned up. We had a bunch of stuff piled up like over here. We just have one more fence panel to fix the gate. And then we can stain the gate, and all of the fence will be stained this pretty dark brown. Oh, and by the way, the solar lights are doing amazing. They haven't died or anything. They're still working. So that's a plus. I really like them. They're not like bright, so don't buy them thinking that they're going to light up your backyard, because they don't. It's just more for looks. Very, very light, pretty look, but it's nice. I realized I didn't tell you that I like this. Y'all, it's so good. We've been snacking on it like every day. I kind of just, when I'm feeling like, I feel like I want to give in and like eat something unhealthy, I grabbed one of these banana chips out of here, and I didn't even know I liked banana chips until I got this. They're amazing. Super, super good. So highly recommend this brand if you are on a fitness journey looking for a healthy snack. Love this a lot. Okay, so yesterday, I was just kind of filming a vlog, you know, kind of like a day in the life, and I jumped right into my workout that I did last night. So I have been working out every day. Every day looks different for me. Some days I'm doing like cardio. That's my butt. Would you stop? Sometimes I'm doing cardio. Sometimes I'm doing like weight training. It just really depends on the day. But yesterday I did like a mixture of both, so I did include a little bit of that footage with you guys. And I will be doing a video sharing like my workouts, what I've been eating, stuff like that. I want to start sharing more of that stuff because this is like a really big part of my life right now, trying to get in shape. And I'm enjoying it, and I enjoy sharing with you guys if y'all are interested in seeing. So let me know if you're interested in a full workout healthy eating video. I will just film it completely separate from all my other videos, so that way they're not mixed in. Also, I filmed another budget video and I just haven't uploaded it yet. I just remembered I need to get that edited. So I did an update on our budget and how we've been doing, kind of just like an update. So stay tuned for that sometime this week. It's very random, just chatty, but I thought I would share an update. We didn't do as great as I thought I was going to do, but you know, it's progress. We're doing a little better. You want to go outside? So before I show you the exercises that I did yesterday, I did just want to say, please make sure that you are contacting your doctor before you do any type of exercising or changing of diet. You don't want to hurt yourself, and it's really important to contact a professional that knows what they're doing. I am literally just sharing with you what I've been doing for me and my body. So please take all this with a grain of salt. But yesterday, first thing I did was hop on the treadmill. I usually go for 30 minutes to an hour, just depending on the day. Like I said, some days every day looks different for me. I'm just kind of, my ultimate goal is to be healthy and strong, not to be skinny, not to lose a ton of weight, just because like I just want to be healthy and fit. I want to look strong. I want to feel strong. That is my goal. I don't have a certain body type in mind. I mean, obviously, let me take that back. We all do. We all have like an idea of what we want ourselves to look like. But I think ultimately my goal is natural energy, just feeling good, like that's what I want. So let me show you what I did yesterday for workouts. It's very quick. I just did a little bit on the treadmill and a little bit of ab workouts. So I'll show you that.